Okay, so Raymond has dared me to try Tamilok. Tamilok is woodworm, right? And we are here in Puerto Princesa, or actually Sabang, but we found someone with this. Okay. There it is. There's woodworm. And supposedly it doesn't taste too bad, right? Yeah, it tastes good. It tastes good. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. Just like oysters, right? Yeah.
Omar's gonna try one.
Omar's gonna try one?
Never.
Okay. So I just grab it with my finger and just eat it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, do I dip it? I dip it in there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, right here. So, here's the worm. Okay. Yeah, okay. It's not bad.
Still work.
Yeah, again, look at this one. Look at that.
Big one.
That's a big one. Ooh, man, this has got some protein right here. Not bad. Oh.
Is it spicy?
Hmm? No, you know what? This is pretty good, actually. You weren't joking.
Yeah. Tastes like oyster.
But it's warm.
Yeah, it's warm.
Tamilok. Ah, this one's got his face still on there. What is that? What is that black?
That's the Tamilok's head.
That's the head?
Yeah.
That's the head.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. I just make that face because I'm thinking too much about it.
Right.
But it's not that bad.
They're ready.
Yeah, look at that, man.
Yeah.
Ooh-wee. There we go. Look at this. How's that the worm? Uh-huh. It's not bad. It's pretty good. It's good. Where do you have to get it? Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah,
There's one with a head again?
Yeah, that's the head. Tastes like spaghetti shrimp.
Delicious.